And so what we're gonna get into next is we're gonna be talking about the theory of the mind. And there's many theories out there, but this particular one that we're gonna share just kind of like encapsulates the mind into a few different stages. The stage one, stage two, and stage three. There's ways to break down each and every stage, right? But for the sake of this course, we're gonna do it in that way. So let me go back to sharing my screen. So this particular theory that we're going to share is by this gentleman by the name of Dr. John Kappas. Um, and the idea here is that in order for you to help your clients succeed and to drive change, you have to understand a little bit of how the mind works. So again, we can go so much deeper into each of these areas. And so I just want to kind of give you an overview. So in this particular theory of mind in stage one, as the brain develops between the ages of 0 and 8, from the 0 meaning the time that the child is in the womb, the child is creating a library of associations and identifications in order to be able to survive, where they are almost a hypnotic state where everything is acceptable and normal, everything is taken in. The child, the brain, the mind does not know what is right and what is wrong. And so in this is a way of nature to get us ready for everything that we're about to face, right? So we're just like downloading and taking in everything that we see as it being correct. And in this space, we're in the space of we're in our comfort zone. In stage two, so actually, let me go back to this for a second. Sometimes when I'm coaching clients, I will ask them, tell me about your life when you were 7, right? Or tell me where you were when, what's your first memory that you have? And sometimes I can tell you a lot about a client because it shows you where the fundamentals of that client's belief systems were formed and what was going on around them. In stage two, when you're moving on from ages 8 through 13, you're developing more reasoning. You're being able to say this is wrong, this is right. These days, I have a 5-year-old, and I feel like she's developed her critical conscious mind before the age of 8. But for the purposes of this exercise, it's just right to give us a general understanding that there is a point from 0 to 8, or from a young age, where we're in a hypnotic state and we're just taking information in, and we don't know right from wrong. Then an age that comes when we're developing reasoning. We're saying this is right, this is not right, and where the brain is actually like pruning away of those beliefs, those core beliefs that we developed in the beginning. um, we have adopted certain beliefs that say, wait, this is right, this is comfortable, this is not comfortable, and this is where the critical conscious mind comes in. This is where we want to form certain friendships. We have certain likes and dislikes. That's at stage two. And then stage three and on, it's like 13 and on. Once you become a teenager, right, the critical conscious mind sets in, and you have this innate drive to almost like want to stay in your comfort zone, to want to be comfortable. So what does that mean is that sometimes your comfort zone is not what's best for you, but it's what feels comfortable, right? Based on the beliefs that you have adopted from the other two stages. And then that takes us into homeostasis. How do we use this for coaching?